Name of the activity. What would have happened if student Dora Ivonne Moreno Calderón, teacher Ángela Patricia Garzón, Manuela Beltrán, University. On vacation after a long, uncomfortable trip. Since we were like sardines in cans in the vehicle, we finally reached in city of Granada Meta. This happened in the year 2015 of a vacation trip, and I went with my children and my husband. The matter was that we had to be in a car for more than 6 or 7 hours like sardines in my read was to try not to get out of a windows. I feel disappointment with the time it took us to arrive to the place, since it is usuality of arrive in only 3 of maximum 4 hours of travel. Thanks to this delay and the tiredness of the drive, I often prefer not to leave the city. So, finally, in only regret the time we spent in the car because the landscape was spectacular. The scenery of the trees and the change of welcomed what would be an unforgettable day. As we got close to our destination, the grandparents' house, a river ran on the same way. So my children, my husband, we sure found fun will be an important element in this day. At the end of the day, we share some of its histories as a family. We are larger of load. It was reality fun with that field trip. I could see that without television, internet, or video games, we can have much fun. Question. What is it happen? I feel like a sardine in the car of the drive. Where did you say? I stay in Granada Meta. When did it happen? This happened in year 2015. Who were you with? I went with my children and my husband. What's the major? The major was that we had to be in a car for more than 6 or 7 hours like sardines. What did you read at the moment? My read was to try not to get out of a window. What did you feel disappointment with? Felt disappointment with the time it took us to arrive to the place. What did that anecdote impact yourself? What is anecdote that I often prefer not at life the city? What did you regret about? I only regret in the time we spent in a car. What is What did this history finish? At the end of this, we share songs and histories as happy family. As a happy family. What did you feel about that situation, and what did you read? Laughter all the day. It was really fun. Thank you.